It gets to a point, honey. It gets to a point. What? Perfect for all skin types? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are here, as you can see by the title, with both BoxyCharms. There's actually 3, but I got 2 here. Have the regular BoxyCharm and the premium BoxyCharm, and we're going to be unboxing both of those. If you are new to my channel, make sure you check it out. Subscribe if you like it. If you're back, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all are here. And oh yeah, leave a like on this video if you like it. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get into the aspects of both of the boxes. Okay, so for the first unboxing, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the base box. This is the smallest box. Hold on, I'm trying to get the information. I wrote it all down because I tend to talk a lot. So okay, so it is $25 monthly. Box values over $120. It's free shipping for the US states. You receive 5 full-size brand name products. You get to customize 1 item in your box, so definitely look out for those emails for sure. And you get access to a Boxy pop-up, add-ons, and rewards. And yep, that's basically it for that. So now we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I did already cut it open for namesake. This box I've actually already received. I think I got it on the 11th of the month. And the premium box, I just received it over the weekend because I wanted to do both unboxings in one video. So I waited on this one, but I did open this one already and seen everything. But the Boxy premium, I have not. So just so you guys know. So this might not look exactly how you're supposed to get it, but it's all pink in the inside. It says BoxyCharm. I'm just saying, I'm saying that so that y'all know it may look a little bit more presentable to y'all when y'all get y'all's box, because I've already opened this one. Now it's a pamphlet. Before they only had like a little card, and then in the back it would tell you what's inside the box, but now it's like a little pamphlet. So this is where it tells you everything inside your box and how much it costs. And then now it's saying, it's giving like codes and giving you Boxy pop-up items, letting you know what's available for Boxy pop-up. And then it gives me a code for misguided. Ooh, 55% off. Okay, should we do a, it depends on, I think if I remember right, misguided is very expensive. Like, not really expensive, but like every item's at least $30. So, but if y'all are interested in me doing one, I mean, I got a coupon for it. I might try a little bit out from there if y'all are interested in that. But yeah, and then they also include the makeup eraser, and it kind of tells you a little bit about the makeup eraser. Hold on. Yeah, and then all the colors it comes with, which this is included in the box, so we'll go ahead and do that one first. Okay. So the first thing we got is the Sunset, the original makeup eraser. Erases all makeup with just water. Contains 1 makeup eraser cloth. And this is it. Okay, so the makeup remover retails for $22. It's the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erases all makeup with just water. Erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Made with premium polyester featuring millions of hair-like fibers that work as suctions for dirt, makeup, and oil. Cool. Okay, so next we have the ELEMIS Superfood, I want to say CICA is how you say it, CICA Calm Hydrating Juice. It's a super hydrating gel. So it retails for $48. It's loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. I probably will use this because I do have hydrating oil drops, and I do have oily skin, but it does tend, I don't get that much of oily skin anymore, because sometimes the reason why your skin is oily is because it's dehydrated, so which is weird. But so for our next item, we have the POREFESSIONAL Pore Primer, soothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. So this is she in the box. So the primer, it retails for $32. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula also contains vitamin E. So that's cool. I definitely need another primer, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, all right, so our next thing is some beauty blenders. This is the Beauty Sponges by Hank and Henry. Ooh, okay, and it also has the BoxyCharm logo on there. That's pretty cool. For $20, these beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile all over sponges for liquid and cream applications. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. Yes, okay. Oh my god, this is so freaking soft, guys. No water, it's already soft. That's crazy. Everything I bought was hard, so maybe that's why. I don't know. Maybe that's how they're supposed to be soft. For the last product, we have the LAVISH brush set, I guess. That's all it says on there, is LAVISH. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece brush set. They're very colorful. It retails for $29.99, so $30. It's a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you will need to achieve an everyday and more dramatic look. Oh my goodness, look at these colors. They feel pretty normal, but these colors are crazy. This would be a good for contouring right here, this one. I added it all up and we got 151.99, so almost $52 worth of products in that box. Alright, so that is it for our first box. So yay, that's fun. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into our second box now. Okay, so now we're gonna unbox the BoxyCharm Premium. And when you open it, oh, it's blue inside. This is my first time having BoxyCharm Premium, to be honest. I've had Boxy Luxe. Oh, did I go over everything? I don't think I did. Did I? I don't think I did. Bitch, I didn't. Okay, let's do that over again. The BoxyCharm Premium. A little bit of what it's about. It is $35 monthly. The box value is over $175. Free shipping for the US. You receive 6 to 7 full-size brand name beauty products. You get to customize one item in your box every month, so look out for those emails. You get to get access to Boxy pop-up add-ons and rewards. So just like how they gave us 55% coupon, that's kind of the rewards they're talking about. Okay, so this is the inside. It is all blue. It says BoxyCharm Premium. Oh my god. Everything's falling out. Okay, so it starts off with the card. I just almost hit myself in the eye. I did. Okay, so this is how the boxes come. This box is trying to attack me, guys. So normally the boxes do come in foam, which the first box didn't, because again, I've opened it, so I'm not sure where I put the foam at. So that's the only reason why that one didn't come with one. But it comes with the card, just like the other box. And I guess they're still letting everybody know about the makeup erasers. So that's kind of a repeat card. I did get variation 38, so you can see down there in this bottom corner. Okay, and again, it kind of just tells you about Boxy Pop-Up, Lux Iffies. So I guess they're giving kind of like spoilers of like what might be in the Boxy Lux for January, February, March, April, May, I guess June, because it's every 3 months for the Boxy Lux. So yeah. And again, they give us another code. Ooh, exciting. It's actually the same code, but still. Okay, so the first item I see is the NUDESTIX in the shade Wonky Rose Waikiki, Waikiki, I want to say. Waikiki Rose. Okay, so it retails for $28, where luxury, K-beauty, and multitasking colors meet long-wear performance. Magnetic lip. Does it say magnetic? Magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious soft nudes in a feather light blurring matte velvet texture. Wow, that's very descriptive. I like that. That is non-drying and long wearing, presented in monochromatic tones. Ooh, I just learned a big old word. Okay, all right, I like that color a lot, guys. I think I would definitely be wearing that for sure. Next, we have, is it another lip gloss? Okay, this is a Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Wow. By Wander Beauty. Okay, so I can already tell I don't like this packaging, because I feel like I'll be one of those people that's gonna keep going to it and being like, did I get a new lip gloss? Retails for $26. One swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned-out effect, while jet black pigment intensively saturates. Smudge-proof, flake-proof, and water-resistant for all-day wear. So our next one is the Cover Fix Water Cloud Primer. Another primer? Plus pollution and blue light defense. Okay, so this is it. It retails for $38. A cooling mousse primer that instantly refreshes the complexion and defends skin against pollution and blue light. Enriched with a plankton extract to help work against the effects of blue light emissions and urban pollutions. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect skin all day long. Primer with pizzazz. Okay, I might actually use that rather than the other one. But we got two primers, but I'm glad it's by two different companies, so that's cool. Next product is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant. Just kidding, guys. So it's a Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant. Oh, I got it. Antioxidant. There we go. Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Wow. That was eerie. Retails for $38, an intensively hydrating honey face mask for a glowing complexion infused with powerful antioxidants. It's cool that it comes, its little top is magnetic. That's pretty cool. I don't know why they keep giving me hydration stuff when I have oily skin. Okay, so this is by IGK NYCMIALA. It's Good Behavior. Its heat protective blowout spray mimics the smooth frizz-free results of a keratin treatment. 100% agreed their hair looked like they got a keratin treatment at the salon. What is a keratin treatment? Looks like it just makes your hair very, very smooth looking. Cool. Okay, so this is kind of a before and after look of a keratin treatment. Looks like it just makes it look very smooth. Okay, so now for the last product, it is the NATASHA DENONA. I butcher names, I'm so sorry guys. Blush Duo. So it retails for $38. Finely milled, non-oily and intensifying pigmented blush with a soft and silky texture for a naturally bright look. Perfect for all skin types. This duo blush palette provides a dominant color right side and a more subtle color left side for seamless blending and softening edges. Yeah, if it was for like contouring and highlighting, maybe, but these are not my colors and I wouldn't wear these colors for blushes, so I will not be using it. But on the plus side, it is very soft to the touch. Feels like a really good pigment. I do like that they include a mirror, but the shades are not me. So this is gonna be a no for me. The value of that box is supposed to be over $175 and our box equals $200, so that is very freaking cool. Okay guys, so that is it for this unboxing. I hope that you like it. If you did, leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Consider subscribing because I do post every single week. Okay, I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Bye.